What's up, you guys? So today's video, we are going to be going to a bunch of thrift stores. I woke up this morning and kind of had the urge to not really redecorate, but just add some new pieces to my house. I feel like I haven't really decorated it in a little while, and I just kind of had the urge, but I wanted to get some more like unique pieces, and I just thought thrift shopping sounded fun. So I thought I would take you guys along to all of the stores today and just kind of show you everything that I found. I know a lot of this I obviously won't be able to like link for you, but I always just think it's kind of fun to watch people like thrift shop and just get some ideas. So Remy and I are going to go into our first Goodwill, and hopefully we have some good luck today. Desk and chair is so cute. I feel like if you redid it, it would be adorable, and it's only $9.99. Oh my gosh, look at all the cutest little baby stuff. I actually have a lot of this pink glass already. This is a really cute picture. I don't think I need it, but it's super cute. I love like any of this colored glass. I think it's very anthropology, and just for like serving stuff when you have like a party, I think they're so cute. I might actually get this one. How much is it? Doesn't say. Cool.
Lightning stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain sunk hills, sky color schemes.
Alright, we're at Goodwill number 2. The first one, I found a couple of things. I just figured I would show you guys everything once I get home. But we're heading into Goodwill number 2.
Forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life.
I always like to look at the vases because you can obviously paint them. Like this one is a really cute shape actually. I feel like these could be really cute if they're painted. These are so cool. I just don't have glue in my house really, and it's a set of 3. Like it'd be nicer if there was 4, but such cute like little soup bowls. I love those. This would be kind of cute on like a nursery shelf, like Little Mom and Baby. This could be cute for rings. This doesn't go in my house, but this is so cute just for like a little table. It's like a little fish tray. So cute. Kind of cool. cool like little cocktail glasses, which I would get, but I think there's only 3 and I want like a set of 4. Okay, we are back home now, and we went to a total of 4 stores. 2 of them were pretty good, the other 2 were total bust, which I kind of could tell as soon as I walked in I wasn't going to find anything. But that's how thrift shopping is, you just really never know what you're going to find. And I did get a ton of stuff. I try to be pretty like particular when I go there. I feel like sometimes when you're shopping for nothing, you kind of feel like you have to buy something because you're out like shopping, if that makes any sense. So I tried to like not buy stuff if I'm not going to actually use it, just because it's like $1.99. Like when you're thrift shopping, things are pretty inexpensive usually, so I don't know. Sometimes you feel like guilty of not buying something, but I don't want to have like a bunch of stuff that I'm not going to like actually use in my house. So I was being pretty particular with what I found. Alright, the first thing that I got were these really cool cocktail glasses. So these were 79 cents and they only had 3. I wanted like a set of 4 because I didn't want like an odd number, so I ended up just getting 2, but I just thought these were cool. Would be fun to make like a martini in, or just like a fun cocktail, so I picked those up. Alright, the next piece is this little ceramic tray, which I love to find ceramic pieces when I'm thrifting because I just think they're like really unique, and I know that they were handmade. So I found this, and I will use this probably like on a table, a coffee table, in the kitchen. You could put olive oil or like a candle on it. I just think they're really cool, and whenever I see pieces like this, I like to grab them. This was only $1.99. Okay, the next thing is actually a gift for somebody. It is this little like kind of catch-all tray that's in the shape of a fish. I just thought it was really cute. It would be fun to put on like an entryway table to like throw your keys in, or just put it on a shelf or something. But I just thought it was really cool, and it was $1.99. That was like the price of the day, I guess. Okay, this next piece is probably one of my favorite things I found today. So I loved this little platter. It's just like a little serving tray, but I really loved this like arched side to it. I thought it was kind of cool, and even to like put up on like my open shelving or in my like buffet cabinet, I thought this would be really cool. And I love to like host and like make little spreads, so I always am looking for cute little trays, and I just thought this one was really cool. Alright, the next thing I got was this vase. I think I mentioned it when I was in the store, but I always look at the vases when I'm thrift shopping, and I really just look at the shape of it. Like this one, I just liked the shape of it. I liked that it was kind of like, I don't know, like bulbous, and then comes to a smaller opening on the top. I just think this would look really cute with like a long like green leafy branch, kind of like an olive branch or something. So I got this, and the thing about vases is you can paint them whatever color you want. They will go with anything, so I always grab these when I see them and I like the shape. So this one was a little bit more expensive. This was $5.99, but I just thought it was cute. Alright, the last thing I got was for Remy's room. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of a little like basket, I think probably for like magazines, but she has so many books that they don't fit on her bookshelves. So I thought this would be a good thing to put like all her extra books. I can set this under her bookshelf, and I just thought it was super cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint this, stain it, or keep it this natural. I'm just going to clean it and then put it in her room and see what I think. It's in, oh, sorry, Remy's sitting right here watching me, but yeah, not sure if I'm going to paint this, but I just liked this, and we definitely needed a little bit more storage for books in her room. Okay, and that is actually all that I got today. I didn't get a ton of stuff, but I was really excited about the things that I did find, and I hope that you guys enjoyed following me around. Let me know if you like these type of videos, because I actually really like to go thrifting, so if you liked it, let me know below in the comments, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!